A lot of people, they are just emotionally exhausted, right? They have trouble sleeping. Sometimes they just dread having to even go to work, right? Or not having some of that compassion fatigue. And it's just really important that we are emphasizing the use of gratitude for the families that we're servicing, and we're focusing on utilizing that practice on our own well-being. Because if you are promoting this gratitude every day in your life. And this is something, again, not time consuming. It's very easy to do, but it's also going to mentally help take care of you and the way you feel. It's going to change your outlook on things. It's going to change your mindset. It's going to give you more of a positive outlook. It's going to help build those relationships with other families, with your own families, with your relationships around you, your colleagues, because you're being a lot more intentional about showing appreciation for other people too. And then they're going to feel good. And then it can have this domino effect, right? It does have that ability to, because if you are doing something or saying something nice to me, I might want to go and say something nice to somebody else who will do it to someone else and someone else. And then just think about all the lives that you've touched then. Think about how you've made people feel good. And that is so important.